Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Valker Ray. Today is going to be a simple garage video, where I showcase something, and I'm pretty sure you guys already saw it in the thumbnail, but you don't know which helmet it is. Drop your comments down below. Let's see who guesses it right. I'll give you 4 options. It might be an Alpine Star, an AGV, Shoei, or an Arai. This is my first garage video. I don't really know what to talk about. Of course, it's an unboxing video. Yeah, so let's get straight to the unboxing. Here's the box. Let me just open it up and show you what's inside. As you can see, Kashi da Corsa Dal 1947. I think most of the people know which helmet it is at this point. Let's just open this up. Let's see what's inside. I think you guys can already see from down here which helmet it is. Okay, alright. First is the helmet. It's an AGV. I don't think you guys have guessed which AGV it is, but by the box you can guess it's one of the Elite. Alright, here's the big reveal. Oh yeah, look at this, boy. Look at how it is. Oh yeah, look at that shine. I'm not sure if it is actually a one-of-one or one-on-one, whatever you want to say. I've never seen anyone in India have this helmet, or if you have this helmet, you've never showcased it on a video. So I'm the first one who's officially doing it. This is an AGV Pista GP RR iridium monocarbon. As you can see, the iridium shine, that bluish pinkish shine around the helmet. Just like that. Let me zoom it in. Oh yeah, look at that shine. It's one of the best in the MotoGP space. It's an exact replica of the AGV used in MotoGP. So let's see what else is in the box. We got a hydration pipe that goes, like this, with the towards the helmet near your mouth, and this one goes somewhere in the back. When you're on the track, you have to go a lot of laps without taking a break. So you'll need something to hydrate yourself with, and this helmet provides, the hydration pack system. You need a full one-piece suit which has that hydration pack so that you can, hydrate yourself. So this is basically that. We have a tinted visor which comes with the helmet. Let me just open it up pretty quick. There you can see. Looks pretty good. We have a small box kind of thing, which is basically a fog resistant lens that you can use on your helmet. We get a small box that includes a couple of accessories. 2 user safety manuals. We got extra pieces of the hydration system thing, I believe. Silicone oil for visor mechanism. The visor points where the visor clips inside. You just put this in and then starts working fine again. We have these pads that basically is, the helmet is not a comfortable proper fit or something for you. You can just add up extra pads so that, it makes it a proper fit for you, I guess. This is for the air vents. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I guess this is it, kind of. I think this is that, but I'm not sure. You guys may ask why I went for the AGV helmet. Since I started watching motovloggers, AMK, I'm pretty sure many of you know AMK. He always used to have AGV helmets. I've always seen AGV helmets with influencers and stuff like that. It's also called an influencer helmet. Also one of the best helmets used in the MotoGP space. I've always wanted an AGV and I'm quite biased towards the AGV helmets. I finally got the AGV Pista GP RR. And I also got a very unique color because many people have an AGV Pista GP RR, AGV Italia. People who have the Pista GP RR, they have the monocarbon, which is just black exposed carbon. But mine gives you that shine. It gives you a proper purplish, bluish kind of shine. I mean, it shines more in the sun. So I guess if you follow my Instagram, link down below, go follow it. You can get to see a proper photo shoot with this helmet and how it looks in raw sunlight. This is one of the most safest helmets you can have because it's like 100% carbon fiber shell. This has a 180-degree horizontal vision and an 85-degree vertical vision. This is not how you wear the helmet. This is how it's when you wear it. So you get the exact complete view, like this. It has a pro spoiler. This just adds up to that little touch of aesthetics, aerodynamics mainly. This is FIM homologated. So FIM literally means Fédération Internationale de Motociclisme, which is the International Motorcycling Federation that is governing and sanctioning the body of motorcycle racing in terms of safety. DOT certified, ECE certified. So technically I can take this helmet anywhere in the world. So I can take this helmet to any track and they'll let me in. Of course I need a full one-piece suit with it. So AGV themselves say that this helmet is the perfection of obsession. Literally the perfect helmet for all your obsessions with motorcycles. Let me know if you guys have seen this helmet anywhere in India. If you have, then I'm not the first one to have this. If you have not, then I'm literally the first person to have an AGV Pista GPRR iridium monocarbon in India. That's pretty cool. Let me just get this off, put the helmet on and show you guys how it looks on me. It's a perfect fit. If you did like my helmet, let me know by dropping a subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed, drop a like down below and a comment. That would be pretty helpful. Here's my ZX-10R. She's lost back in the background. I can't use this helmet for a couple of vlogs because I'm yet to get my mount for this. I'm gonna get my chin mount from USA. It's coming somewhere next month. So once I get it, I can get my cameras on my new helmet. Until then, I guess you guys won't see a difference, but anyways, it'll be a difference for me because lightweight. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you did like the video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, wait a second. Watch this.